Pesco Termo is a company which takes an active role since 2009 with its own knowledge. They consider high-quality standards, teamwork by using high technology. Also, they follow developments on world and use those development methods on their works. They create new goals every time with an idealist understanding. Here are some of the services which they have for their customers. Water glass machines which can produce 6,000 to 24,000 in 1 hour. In food and medical sector, vacuumed and aired packaging, picnic plate machines, and also thermoform machines are the highlights which they produce. Also, they use robotic systems and automatic box packaging units, robot product collecting, box stuffed units too. With this technology, they save energy. Our vision: to provide added value to our customers with our products, to produce permanent solutions to their problems, and to follow the latest technologies, renewing itself in the market to be quality, reliable, and permanent with the products and services it offers, to be the leading company that has a say in the sector. Our mission: to be among the top 3 companies representing our country with the quality products and services that we provide to our customers in packaging sector and world. We are aware of the responsibilities of our job. We know that our job has a direct impact with human health. Therefore, in the machines we produce, compliance with hygiene concepts using 316L stainless steel material at product contact points. All parts comply with standard norms, CA standard certificated machines. Safety systems to be at the highest level, and finally, minimizing waste of raw materials is just a few of the issues that we pay attention. Pesco Termo is a company that exports 80% of its production. It sells machinery to many countries in different geographies, ranging from Europe to the Far East and from the Middle East to Africa.